Hello students, in this video we will discuss about solution of linear equation in one variable. First we try to understand what is the solution. Solution means if any number satisfies that equation, then that number is known as solution of linear equation in one variable. What is meaning of satisfied? If you put that number on the place of that variable, which variable contained in that equation, then if left and right both are equal after putting the value of that variable, then that number will be known as solution of that solution of equation. Now we will take here suppose x plus 5 equal to 0. Now I want to find what is the solution of this variable, this equation. Solution means value of variable quantity contained in that equation. That means in this equation, what is the value of x? This will be solution of linear equation into variables. Now in this situation, if we want to find the solution of that equation, then all constant quantities should be transferred on the either side, and a variable quantity should be another side. Now here, since x is a variable quantity and 5 is a constant, so transfer 5 on the right side, this will be x equal to minus 5. As you know that if any quantity transfer one side to another side, that means left to right or left to right to left from the equal to sign, then sign of that number will be changed. That means plus into minus, minus into plus, into division, division into product. Now here, this is the x equal to minus 5. This is the solution of this equation. Now, how to check this solution is the equation of this equation. A solution x equal to minus 5 is the solution of this equation. For the check, we should be put x equal to minus 5 in this equation. That means since equation is x plus 5 equal to 0, put x equal to minus 5. Therefore, on the place of minus 5, this will be minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0, or minus 5 plus 5, this is the 0 equal to 0. Here you can see that left and right both are same, both are equal. Therefore, we can say that x equal to minus 5 is the solution of this equation. Now, we will discuss here solution of linear equation into variables. Solution of linear equation into variables. Actually, solution of linear equation into variables, if we find the solution of linear equation into variables, then this is the required that there are two pair of linear equation into variables equation should be given. Then we can find the solution of linear equation into variables. But in the 9th class, there is no given that pair of linear equation into variables. Single linear equation into variables is given, and in these situations, we can't find the solution of linear equation into variables, but only we can draw the graph of that pair of linear equation into variables. But if we want to find the linear equation into variables, a solution of linear equation into variables, then one method is given here. Suppose x plus y equal to 5. This is a linear equation into variables, and if we want to find the solution of this equation, then we can take value of x or y, that means any one variable of this equation. Put yourself, suppose here is a linear equation in two variables. Two variables. Consider x equal to 1. We consider x equal to 1. Therefore, 1 plus y equal to 5 or y equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Therefore, x equal to 1 and y equal to 4. These numbers will be solution of this linear equation in two variables. But this type of solutions, we can find the infinite number of solution of linear equation in two variables. There is no single solution of these equations. We can take, if we can take x equal to 2, then we will find y equal to 3. If we take x equal to 3, then y equal to 2. If we take x equal to 4, then y equal to 1. If we take x equal to 5, then y equal to 0. That means there are infinite many solutions. We can find the linear equation into variables. But in the running language, in general language, we can say that what is the linear equation, what is the solution of linear equation in two variables? That means a number x equal to something and y equal to something. That means any number putting on the place of x and y, and if this gives the value is equal to right side of this equation, then we can say that that value of x and y are the solution of that linear equations. Now here we can find the infinite number of solutions of linear equation in two variables. But linear equation in one variables, we can we find only one and only one solution of linear equation in one variables. Now in the next video, we will discuss how to draw the graph of linear equation in one variable and in two variables.